Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to grow a carrot into our home garden into pot or in a grow bag. So friends, as we know, the carrot is a root crop and carrot can be grown 30 to 40 centimeter long under the soil. So when we think about growing the carrot into the home garden, we must think for the pot which is at least a 1 foot deep. If you have more deeper pot or grow bag, it is much better. Now carrot can be grown very easily from its seeds, and once you sow the seeds, then you need to take very little care to grow the carrot. Now we have taken this grow bag for growing the carrot. Now this grow bag is around 1.5 feet wide and around 1 feet deep, and we are going to put carrot seed into this grow bag for growing the carrot. Now talking about the distance at which we should plant the seeds. Carrot we should plant every 3 to 4 centimeter between each plant, and line to line distance also we can maintain the same. But as the carrot seeds are very small in size, it is difficult to maintain the distance for sowing. So what we'll do, we'll put the lines at 3 to 4 centimeter and sprinkle the carrot seeds into the line. Later on, when the germination has occurred, we'll keep one plant every 3 to 4 centimeter and remove all the plant and do the thinning. Now the second thing, the watering cycle. So carrot initially loves good amount of water. So initially, till the germination and the plant are established, we should give or keep the soil moist. Once the plant is established, then we should start reducing the giving the water, and that will force carrot to grow its root, means we'll get the good harvest of the carrot with the reducing the water or the less amount of the water. Now talking about the preparation of the soil and the nourishment. So we have prepared this soil with adding the cow dung manure, well decomposed cow dung manure. We must remember the carrot doesn't require more of the nitrogen, so we should not add any type of the cakes into this. Otherwise our carrot will grow only leaves, not the root. So we are not going to add any extra fertilizer into the carrot. Only we have added the cow dung manure and we have added some ash into it, and we have prepared this grow bag. Now talking about the seed treatment. So we have moistened this carrot seed for 2 hours to 3 hours. Then we have added some of the wood ash. With this ash, it is coated. So it will protect the carrot initially from the ants and other insects which will carry the carrot seeds. Once the carrot seed is germinated, then we don't have any issue. So we have treated this seed already. Now for sowing, it is very simple. We must sow carrot only half centimeter deep. Sometime, even if it sprinkle over the top and give the water with a shower, it will grow. But here, we are going to first loosen the soil and then sow it into the line around half centimeter deep. We have pre-moistened this grow bag with the water. So as we are going to grow with drip, we have run the drip line for 2 hours, and you can see the soil is moist. Now first we will make soil little loosen on the top. So we'll simply make this soil loosen on the top. After that, so here we are making. Now we'll make the lines every 3 to 4 centimeter to put the carrot seed. So we need to ensure that we must not make the too deep line. We are only making the shallow lines like this. And now we have this seed which is treated, and we are going to spread this seed into this line carefully at a distance. So this is how simply we'll sow the carrot seed into this, and then we lightly cover this soil. If required, we'll give water with some shower, but here the moisture is good, so we are not going to give any water to this plant. Now this completes our sowing work, and we only need to control the water and get the good harvest of the carrot. So friends, you also plan to grow carrot this season into your home garden with a grow bag or the dip pot, and enjoy the fresh carrots directly from your garden. Happy growing!